Welcome. In this video, we'll unbox and set up the Garmin Edge 540. So let's start with opening the box and seeing what's inside. So of course, the first thing that we see in front of us is the device itself. So we can remove it and remove the protective foil from it. And this is what the device looks like. So as you can see, we have many different buttons. By the way, this model doesn't have a touch screen, therefore we're gonna need to operate using our power button, the navigation buttons, options or OK button, back button, and then two buttons uh, for cycling. So this is the play pause, and this is the cycle. I'm not sure what to call it, but it's basically the cycle button. And at the bottom we also have the charging port, which is covered with this rubber or silicone material. Here we have it. So as you can see, it's USB-C. And one important thing, so you don't get confused, this is the Edge 540 and not the Edge 540 sensor bundle. So we only get this device without any other sensors. So if you want to buy a bundle, you should look for the Edge 540 sensor bundle. Okay, so now if we remove this card, we'll get access to our Outfront mount. As you can see here, we have the rubber bands and the strap for mounting. Then we also have other gear for mounting. We have some spare rubber bands and mounts in here, so you can install this mount on both your, for example, on both bicycles if you have two, so that you can easily switch where you want to place your Garmin. And then we have the charging cable. As you can see, we have two USB-C version. And at the bottom, we have all the paperwork. So we have the instructions with instructions for the buttons on our device, with how to pair it with the smartphone. And then we also have the charging instruction, how to mount the Garmin on our bike. And later we only have the instructions on how to install the rest of the sensors that are not in this bundle. So yeah. And then we also have some of this legal paperwork here. Okay, so now let's get to the setup of this device. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna have to turn it on. To do that, press the power button for a couple of seconds. Okay, you will see this Garmin on your screen. After that, we're gonna have to select the language. So navigate with your navigation keys and select with OK button. And then we can pair our smartphone. So on your smartphone, you need to install the Garmin Connect application. You can install it, you can download it from the either App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you're using an Android. In my case, it's Google Pixels. So yeah, obviously I installed it from the Google Play Store. Then we're gonna have to open camera on our smartphone and scan this QR code, then follow the link to pair our device. Then we're gonna have to tap connected, link device, and then of course give it all the permissions and wait until it is paired with your smartphone. And then we can finish the setup by adjusting many different settings on our smartphone, but basically what we have to do is tap next. Then we can choose the activity profiles, tap next, then choose the sensors that you want to use. Well, in my case, I don't have any sensors, so I'm gonna skip. Then give it notification access, the calendar access, the call log access, and the rest of the accesses. And then synchronize your devices. Okay, now let's tap finished. Then we can view the tutorials for this device within the applications or just skip this step and wait until our devices are synchronized. I'm sorry for the camera rotation, it's a technical issue. Now once the phone setup is finished, let's tap OK. Then you can set up Wi-Fi networks, and I think we should. So just tap right here. Then let's select Add Network at the bottom. Tap OK. And wait until your Garmin finds a network for you to connect to. Select the network you want to connect to. Okay. And then as you can see, we're gonna have to navigate like this to enter the password to our network. And once you enter it, you will simply have to navigate to this OK button and press the options key. And this will connect you to your Wi-Fi network. Okay. And then if you want to connect sensors, if you do have them, tap OK and connect them. Otherwise, let's skip. Then we're gonna have to scroll down to accept. So let's scroll down, click OK. And that's pretty much it. So the setup is right now finished. And we can start using our Garmin device. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.